So this is the very early stage of pregnancy. And the first question that comes up is, how do I know if I'm pregnant? Well, the most important way, or the first indicator of being pregnant, is that you've missed your menstrual period, or your menstrual period is late. So if you have regular menstrual periods and you know when you're supposed to get them, or you've been tracking them on an app on your phone or on your calendar, and your period is late or you've missed one, then it's very likely that something's going on and you could very likely be pregnant. Now, that's a good time, if you've missed that period, to go into the drugstore, to any pharmacy, and get a low cost but high accuracy pregnancy test. So the ones over the counter are very accurate and they don't usually cost much money. Those pregnancy tests are something that you would void on or pee on, and your urine would be used on a stick that you hold and wait for a couple of minutes to determine if there's pregnancy hormone in your urine. And this stick will tell you if you're pregnant or not. And not every test is foolproof. So there are situations where the test can be positive and you're not pregnant, but that's unlikely with the accuracy that is currently available. Don't forget to read the directions on that pregnancy test. And if you've missed your period and you've done your pharmacy pregnancy test at home, then you think you're pregnant, it's a good idea to call your healthcare provider and set up a non-urgent appointment so that you can go in and have that further confirmed.